Good day everyone, it's the Real Forex and I'm going to be giving an analysis on EURAUD, this pair, and I'm going to show you how my strategy works and how to make money out of my strategy, and basically show you how easy it is to make profit with my strategy. So let's just dive into the video without any further explanations. So you can obviously see that there's a sweep here, a little sweep here, okay, you can see that there's a sweep here, and then what the price do, price created this liquidity here, and also there's an order block here. This liquidity wouldn't be enough to follow my trade, obviously. So what the price did, price took out the order block and then went up and then took it out again, and this is like a form of inducement. This is an inducement. So after price gave this to us, it was like a confirmation that this was going to hold, because obviously this could not be able to hold this trade, like the USD JPY setup that I gave last week. Exactly the same thing happened. So like this is it. This price came from here, tapped us in here, and then boom, targeted. Let's just go to the daily time frame so it will be easy for us to see. Easy. You can see that price hit our foot CP right here and also created a break of structure. Now if we go back to the 4-hour time frame, easy. If you go back to the 4-hour time frame, the same thing happened. And in one of my videos, in the analysis I was giving out on USD JPY, said that every sweep also stands for, every liquidity inside your previous zone can also stand for a sweep. So not all of them, but most of them often stand for a sweep. You get what I'm saying? So this is the liquidity for this trade. So if you carry this, just put this, let me just put this right here. Let me put this right here, and it's automatically going to be a sweep, which makes our low protected. Sorry about this, I'm just trying to get this right. All right, so we have a sweep, and knowing fully well that price has already mitigated here from the previous trade we took. Now what the price do, price the same thing, inducement trade. So price is just repeating itself over and over again, so it's just going to be easier for us. So if you see this, it's going to be easy for you to locate this next setup I'm about to draw for this week. All right, so as you can see, that price took out this low, which makes this place a sweep of liquidity, and they created liquidity again. You can see this liquidity was created here. Price took it out, went up again, came down, pushed up again, and then came, hoping to take this other block right here in, but it served as inducement and liquidity. You get? So it served as inducement and liquidity. So now we have enough liquid for our trade. And now exactly the same, this happened. See this, and it was taken out and took me in right here. All right, this other block fake out turns into an inducement, taps me in, and then hits TP right here. And now what do we do again? The same thing that we did before. Now just going to draw this other, let's just use this other block right here. Let's trade off this other block right here. Let's trade off this other block right here. So this will automatically just be the trade for the week. This is liquidity. Price will take that out. Since price has already taken out inducements, this inducement here, since price has taken this out, so we'll be expecting price. Normally I'm supposed to draw this out from here to here, but no need to make everything much more complex. So easy. All you have to do is just set your buy limit over here. Set your buy limit over here, just right here, and then set your buy limit over here, and put your stop loss right below this low, you know, because that's this is what is called protected low, because we have our sweep. This sweep makes this low protected. So now we have our sweep. Now I'm just going to draw this out so you guys can see that this is our protected low, and price is not expected to come anywhere near there. Do you get? So price is not supposed to come anywhere near there. So I'm just gonna shift this a little bit up. Sorry, just hold on. Alright. And then let's wait for price to give us what we want to see. The confirmation, you can enter from your candlestick confirmation, or use those who use order flow can obviously take your order flow out and then do their stuff. But for me, I would like to see exactly the same thing happening on the 15-minute time frame or the 5-minute time frame. I'll take my trade off like that, and then boom. Or I could just use an aggressive entry. Use an aggressive entry to enter this trade, and we'll be targeting. This is, if you use an aggressive entry you'll be risky more, but if you're trying to be conservative, you know, after price stops, you can just quickly look for the same setup or look for a buy setup on the lower time frame, and probably just reduce your risks from somewhere here to somewhere here or here, and we'll be targeting like 8 to 10 RR and something. But those that are having their aggressive entries, just going to put your stop loss below here.